I have been asked, how long can the IRS collect taxes? Is there a time limit? Yes, the IRS has 10 years from the date the tax is assessed to collect the tax. For most taxes, that date is the due date of the tax return, or if it is filed late, the date it is filed. Once the collection statute expires, the tax debt is considered time-barred, and the IRS can no longer take legal action to collect it. If you know when the collection statute expires, you can avoid paying taxes for which you are no longer liable. There are exceptions to this 10-year rule. Certain actions you take may give the IRS more time to collect. Most of these exceptions are based on the principle that the 10-year clock should not continue to run while the IRS is prohibited from collecting. For instance, when a taxpayer files for bankruptcy, the statute of limitations is told, meaning it stops running until the bankruptcy proceedings are concluded, and for an additional 6 months. Also, if you ask for a formal payment agreement with the IRS, the statute of limitations is suspended during the time the IRS is considering your request, and if they reject it, for 30 days after the rejection. However, the statute continues to run while the payment agreement is in effect. If you enter into a settlement agreement with the IRS, which is also called an offer in compromise, the statute of limitations is suspended while the agreement is pending and while it is in effect. Also, if a taxpayer is outside the United States for an extended period of time, for more than 6 months, the statute may be extended by the time spent abroad. The IRS 10-year collection statute of limitations is important because it provides a legal time limit within which the IRS can collect unpaid taxes, and so it offers a sense of finality to tax matters. You can ask a tax professional to review your IRS account and to tell you when the collection statute will expire for each year for which you owe taxes. By being aware of the IRS statute of limitations, you can ensure that your rights are protected.